welcome to another video. My name is Rike Davideit and I come from the Natural Building Lab located at the Technical University of Berlin in Germany. So I'm part of the architects team who is responsible for the design of the model house of the Vigera project. And in this video I will give you a short introduction about the design of the model house. So the building type is supposed to fit the requirements of a residential house, as it's supposed to be used as a family house. However, as it's going to be located on the campus in Tashkent, the floor plans are adapted for an educational use as well. The main aim of the project is to combine both traditional and modern architectural elements by using sustainable building materials. As a result, and also connected to the traditional Uzbek architecture, we used the cinch wall construction. This means a basic wooden framework sets the basic structure of the house. This also emphasized the importance of using wood as a main building material in architecture. Next to wood, also other sustainable building materials such as clay and straw are very important, and those we incorporated into the design. So all these materials have in common that they are bio-based and locally available. So this means that we avoid to use carbon-intensive materials. For the insulation, we developed different types of insulation, and then we chose one insulation type, which is a timber frame construction with a stuffed straw insulation, as this method gives several opportunities and also hosts several advantages. First of all, it's a very light construction. Secondly, it's a byproduct of agriculture. And thirdly, the insulation thickness can be increased, for example, if the climatic regulations demand for this. So now we come to the more traditional architectural elements. The model house is going to be constructed on the Tiame campus. And the position of the house follows the rules of a courtyard structure, which is very typical for Uzbek architecture. The location in front of a northern wall enables that there will be a courtyard on the east side of the house and on the west side of the house. This means the inside of the house can be enlarged through a nice recreational area into the outer green space. Also, we want to say that the building principle follows another rule. This means that the structure of the house and the rooms is in a layered process, meaning the utility rooms are located in the south of the house, meaning that they get enough sunlight and air through very big openings in the south facade. Secondly, the more service rooms are in the north side of the house, which is in a colder area. An infrastructural wall in the middle helps that those two rooms will be separated, and also this will function as a climatic buffer zone. Last but not least, the curvature of the house follows a rectangular shape, which is quite common for Uzbek architecture, meaning that a roofed corridor also helps for climatic conditions of the house. The roofed corridor enables that, for example, during summertime, the sun will not reach the inside of the house and will not heat up the climate inside of the building. Whereas during the winter time, the sun sits lower and will be able to reach the inside of the house and heat up the space. And now I want to say about the overhang of the roof. This will help to protect the facade from bad weather, for example, and also the roofed corridor enables more space for solar panels on the south-facing roof. So all in all, I want to conclude that the building type that we developed serves as a good option for sustainable architecture, as, for example, the design is based on local building materials, while also including contemporary needs for a climate-adaptive architecture, and also using local building materials and traditional architectural elements, and also the use of renewable energy. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you in the next video.